making a delicious berry smoothie today using the Happy Way berry protein powder. I'm also going to be using a little bit of the Maca powder in this one as well, just to give it that earthy taste. I'll be using almond milk in my smoothie, however you can use whatever milk you like. I've got some oats here for increased fibre. I've got some pumpkin seeds to add that little bit of extra zinc into my recipe. I'm using a very overripe banana, and I've got some fresh strawberries here as well, and just a little bit of ice. So I'm just going to add it all into my blender, and I'm going to blend it until it's really smooth and creamy.